So in this Canadian investing tutorial, I will be showing you how to buy monthly dividend paying stocks here in Canada using Wealthsimple. So once Wealthsimple is opened up, go to this bottom bar, select the magnifying glass. Then once you're on this page right here, you can either go to the top and search up a stock if you know which monthly dividend stock you're buying, or you can go to all categories right here, find different categories that may pay out, high dividends, for example. So I'm going to go ahead here and just go to search right here. And I'm just going to type in the word dividend, just like this. So once you're on this page right here, you can view a whole bunch of different ETFs or a whole bunch of different stocks that may offer monthly dividends. So in this example, if I wanted to do this BMO International Dividend ETF, I can go ahead and select this CDI. Now to make sure that a fund or a stock or an ETF or whatever is monthly dividend paying, scroll down to where it says dividends right here. It'll then show you your percent yield, which is the dividend amount, as well as the frequency. Now if it says monthly right here, which this one does, you have a monthly dividend stock. So if this looks good, go to the bottom left, select an account. I'll use TFSA in this example, and then I'll press buy. Once you're on this page, you can go to the top right and select the order type. I will keep it at market. So let's say, for example, you wanted to buy $2 worth. It'll show you how much shares, and if this looks good, press review. Then once you're on this page right here, you can go to the bottom. In my case, press key order or press buy if the markets are open to proceed with the transaction. So that's how you guys can buy monthly dividend paying stocks here in Canada using Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.